Robot Time, MRT, was established in 2008 at Shenzhen, which is one of the earliest robot educational firm in the world. Over the past 10 years, All for Kid is our purpose. We insist on the business philosophy, focus, innovate, unfold, win-win, keeping to be a global leading brand in STEM education. Robot plus education plus X is our development strategy since 2008. Science, using 4 circles to represent 4 important variables: light, heat, electricity, magnet, shows scientific principle such as energy transformation, technology. 2 blank circles means the important elements of industrial technology. Screw and nut declares the promotion effect of robot assembly to technology skill. Engineering, the important course in engineering field. Mechanics and structure are expressed by the topology. The robot structures and increases engineering knowledge and ability. Mathematics. The clock represent the important scientific thinking, logic, and mathematics. Robotic education play an important role in cultivating scientific literacy and creative thinking. The head office of MRT is in Shenzhen and established regional office in Hong Kong, Korea, Malaysia. Meanwhile, we have also set up the R&D projects with Israel, Russia, and Spain. Our business includes research and design, production and sales, courseware development, educational training, and organizing competition. The product covers education, competition, scientific research, and commerce. Our products are catered for age between 4 to 19. The clients include education training institution, kindergarten to university level, youth activity center, and science and technology research institutes, etc. After 10 years of business establishment, we have been successfully distributed our products and services to more than 50 countries, including Malaysia, Russia, South Korea, Israel, and the United States. MRT has become one of the most influential robotics enterprises in the world. Since its establishment has attached great importance to science and technology innovation, independent research and development, we already have a national and international invention patent, utility model patent, copyright, such as hundreds of intellectual property rights. In China, we had awarded by many levels of government R&D funding and reward. At the same time, MRT is not only focused on the product's development and quality control, but also the cost control of the products. Hence, we have created many popular education robot brands. My Robot Time is our famous educational robot brand. It is a comprehensive robotics education product and curriculum system for all ages. MRT launches new products every year, which are receiving great response from our customer and user due to the unique idea, novel design, and good quality. MRT has become one of the most influential robot education enterprises in the world. Our first robot factory was set up in Shenzhen as the country's earliest robotics. It is also opened in Foshan, China, Guangzhou, China, Daejeon and Jeju Island, Korea, Malaysia, etc. It is not only good business platform to exhibit products to customer, but also provide our kids a space for exposure and learning of science and technology. The Robot Factory has become the most popular science education base there. International Youth Robot Competition, IYRC is organized by International Youth Robot Association, IYRA. IYRA was established in the first general meeting in Daejeon on August 2013 as a non-profit organization. In 2017, a total of more than 40 countries joined as the IYRA member, which include China, South Korea, Malaysia, Russia, Israel, the United States, etc. IYRA will select one of the member to held in international robot competitions, IYRC, yearly. The purpose is to give those kids who like to build robots and interested in artificial intelligence a platform to share ideas and provide the world robot industry to showcase their new products. Today, IYRC become one of the most popular robotics competition in the world. Recently, IYRC successfully collaborate with China government to organize IYRC in yearly WRC, Robot World Conference event. The competition categories of IYRC are recognized by the WRC and widely participate and highly accepted by majority of teenagers, schools, training institutions. All for Kid is the original intention and diligently pursue of MRT. Focus, innovate, unfold. Win-win is the enterprise slogan and spirit of MRT since 10 years ago. Robot plus education plus X is the intelligent development strategy. MRT will keep on improve in robotics education development, create a global leading educational enterprise. Strove 10 years, 10 years efforts. MRT Technology, with you to create a better future.